time, I would like to bring up our evaluator for Russ Kosh's speech, and that will be Anand Moore, and his evaluation time will be 2 to 3 minutes. So please welcome Anand.
Hello Toastmasters, today's guest and especially Russ Kosh. Today I am here to evaluate Russ Kosh's third speech in Competent Communicator. It's the second speech in Competent Communicator manual, sorry. And goal of the speech was organize your speech, which means whether the organization of speech is in truly manner of opening, body, conclusion, whether the transition between the opening to body, body to conclusion was smooth, seamless, whether the aim was achieved clearly. Yes, I'll say definitely, with some improvement, obviously. First, about the topic. Topic was introduction to occasional cooking. The topic itself was easy to understand. It was not much philosophical or deep rocket science kind of topic. Any person, any layman can easily understand this topic, and especially when it is about the cooking and the time is lunch time. Definitely it is the perfect suited time for it. So no other topic can attract such attention than having the dish cooked in front of you. So I will congratulate about the topic first. Definitely it was enjoyable. He started with giving that it's occasional cooking, so you need not to be a good chef or regular cooking for a person who cooks regularly. Then within the body he has given the details, as well as he used the visual aid, that is the one picture, to give the difference between the oil so that you can choose the right ingredients for that specific dish. And at the end conclusion, which I like, maybe I'll consider it could have been a part of the conclusion itself, that he added some references where you can go further and then do further study about whatever the topic he has given. So in that way the organization was very well. Transition, I will say it was smooth. I didn't find any of the hesitation between going from body to conclusion or the opening to body. So the transition was smooth. One suggestion, a couple of suggestions I would give is that on opening of the speech, if you would have added some more importance to the topic by giving some example, or maybe giving some the incidents or what is the importance of that particular speech in his life, that might have added, or why that specific dish, that would have added the more importance to the whole speech further on. About the movement, the last one is thing, he's tend to stand at one place and continuously look at one person for more time. I would suggest that he can just come forward, move to both sides equally, and give the full eye contact. That might again help him to achieve that, get the feedback, the visual feedback from the people first of all, and get the attention from the people. So that's one more improvement. But other than that, I will say he has done really good job to achieve the goals of this project, and I will wish him the best luck for next speeches. Thank you.